you are using a actcut from a USB drive, in this video I will show you how we can open the program. So go into files, now go into DVD drive and then go into actcut 2009, go on CD1 and where it says CD1 and it says disk image file, double click on it. This will go CD1 to your DVD option. So go back to your PC and then double click on it and follow the procedure and install the software here on your PC. And then you go back to, once it's complete, you go back to actcut, then open actcut 6 and go into programs and double click on actcut 6 here and it will open the program. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.